Alright guys, so today we're going to be painting our little mini clay pots. So each person will have one clay pot. Every kit that you purchase with us will have a clay pot. You'll have a disposable apron, 2 paintbrushes, one medium, one small, your paint, a napkin, a cup for your water, and a bag with both your soil and your seeds mixed in together. So we're gonna get started with our painting. The first thing that I'd like to do is take that napkin and place it right where you will be painting your flower pot. Place your flower pot on the napkin. And I'm painting over one that we kind of marked up, so you could ignore that. But we're actually going to be painting, and the painting that we're doing today is a very cute polka dot themed. I did 2 different styles so that you could see, you can have fun with this, make it your own. You don't have to follow my exact instructions. If you feel like taking it in a different direction and switching it up, you could do that. Just have fun with it. Here's just a demonstration of the 2 different styles that you could do, just to give you some ideas. So you could take your paints and get them ready. Open up those tubes. Put some water in your cup, not too much, maybe about up to here. You're going to wet the bristles of your medium-sized brush and just give it a tap on the paper towel to get all the excess water off. The next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna make a decision as to what colors you'd like to paint. So if you're gonna do the pink and white or the white and pink, whatever colors you wanna do, that's fine. So we're gonna start here with the pink. And you're going to pretty much paint the entire portion or whatever you choose to do in this color all the way around. And once you're done, you're gonna let it dry and give it another layer after. Okay, so for right now, just paint it, making sure you're getting good coverage of your paint and you're leaving enough room for the white that's to go on top. Okay, have fun, guys. So once you're done painting that, let it dry. I'm gonna flip it around, so if you're doing the same thing I'm doing, the next thing you're gonna do is alternate your pink, and now you're going to do the pink on the top portion, but just for half of the clay pot, not the entire thing. Leaving space for some of that white so that you can have your bipolar clay pot. So make sure that you get full coverage on here. If you need to give it a couple of seconds to dry, that's fine. If you need to give it a few minutes and then adding another layer after, that's also great. It's a great idea. It makes the fluorescent a lot brighter and it pops more. So take your time with this. Make sure that you're happy. You want to make this your very own amazing masterpiece. Just so you know, I am a little OCD, so I'm just painting a little bit of the inside. Most of it will be covered with dirt, so it doesn't matter, but for the parts that's not covered in dirt, I like to see the pop of color. So that's the inside of my flower pot, and I'm gonna do the same once I get to the white. So have fun with this, just continue painting. Once it's dry, add another layer and keep having some fun with it, okay? and then we'll move to the other side where we'll be doing. So once you're done with that, you're just gonna give your brush a good rinse. And wipe it off in your paint and your paper towel. And then we're gonna take a scoop of this white paint here and we're gonna start to plaster it on. Okay, so as you could see, it's covering up all of the marks that I had before. It's going to be a little bit opaque until, you know, I start to build some layers on there. But that's why it's always good to let it sit and dry. If you have a blow dryer, you could use that. And once it's dry, you do another layer as many times as you feel necessary. There are no rules. Have fun with it, okay? And just have a good time. This is so relaxing, so cool. And then you take the back of your paintbrush, dip it in some paint, whatever color you're choosing, and make a bigger dot. We're gonna just make some dots all around. And once you're done, guys, this will be your finished product. All right, again, whichever design you choose is totally up to you. The next thing you're gonna do is open your Ziploc bag and you're going to add your soil with your seeds already mixed in. You don't have to fill it up. Just about that much. And you will water it, sing to it, talk to it, whatever you have to do to make it grow. And that is it for your class today.